Welcome to day 6 of Sati Snails to Bowls exercise regime for diabetics management. Last 5 days we have done lower body twice, we have done the core twice, and we have done the upper body once. And today we'll be concentrating back on the upper body. So let's get going with Manish. Come Manish.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out?
3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we start with the warm up. So as warm up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका groins mobilize होएगा, and it is very important to mobilize your groin before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left right, same leg. If you want, left right. If If you want, take support. Not an issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर करेंगे, दूसरा पैर up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. With another leg, we will do the rotation. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not an issue. Relax, relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yeah. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax, relax, relax. Next one, we will do few kicks. Front kick, front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways, sideways, sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog, spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax, relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First hold low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes. इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we'll start with our workout. Thank you. Okay, now we will do the upper body workout with our Ashish. We had shown us the upper body workout previously also. So hope you enjoyed. He had come up with next workout in his mind. Let's see what he have. Yeah, Ashish, ready? Yeah. The first one, he will going to do the spider lunges with push-ups. Yeah. Show. Yes. Go down. Push-ups. Back. Another leg. Push-ups. Yeah. Relax. Relax. So ऐसे करके आपको दोनों पैर के लिए करना है for 30 seconds. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, relax, relax. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. We are trying to give you new workouts in all the sets so you don't get bored. Hope you had did previous workouts very well. Yeah. Next one, we will do the lateral plank with the push-ups. The lateral plank. Hope now you know the reason why I used to do push-ups in all the workouts, because there was something greater. Yeah, push-ups, then move to one of the sides. Relax, push-ups. Then again move to another side. Relax, Ashish. Yeah. Hope you got it, how he did it. Nothing new. All these exercises you had did. Now, these exercises with some combinations. Yeah? Ready, Ashish?
Ready.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. बहुत बढ़िया. अभी next one we will do again in the lateral plank only, but we will do low plank to high plank. लो प्लैंक तो हाई प्लैंक पहले किया है आपने. अभी शो लो प्लैंक हाई प्लैंक. नाउ मूवमेंट. ही इज मूविंग फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट. relax. This is how you have to do it. Bas, hope you got it. How to do it? Do it correctly. Kam karo chalega. For us, count doesn't matter. We just want you to start some sort of activity, so you will get more fitter and you can control the diabetes. Yeah? Ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. Very nice. Yes. Now, the last exercise we will do for this upper body workout. We will do burpees with push-ups. Yeah, before burpees with push-ups, we have something else also in mind. What? Shoulder tap. This favorite. Yeah, so we will do shoulder tap then. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, it's an easy workout. Let's start. No. I see. Shoulder tap. Show just. Then we will start. Yes, got it? Relax. Hope you got it how to do it. Yes, पहले लेवल में भी हमने किया है, अभी भी कर रहे हैं. So get used to just while doing it regularly. Let's start. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. हिप को जितना स्टेबल रखोगे उतना अच्छा है. Yes. 20. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8. ये देखो, ये हिप जितना स्टेबल रहेगा. कितना स्टेबल है इनका हिप. जब भी ये मूवमेंट कर रहे नहीं कर सकते हो बाइसेप्स को टच किया तो भी चलेगा ऐसे इधर रिलैक्स अभी द लास्ट सेट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज लास्ट एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं वो क्या रहेगा हमारा बर्पीज विद पुशअप्स ही विल शो वंस और ट्वाइस ही विल डू देन ही विल डू आपका ब्रेक टाइम चल रहा है एंजॉय योर ब्रेक टाइम यू सी हाउ ही इज डूइंग देन यू आल्सो परफॉर्म शो इट push-ups go up jump go down yes yeah relax hope you got it what he was supposed to trying to show you yeah हम लोग साथ में करेंगे या लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है तो एकदम अच्छे से करेंगे लेट्स स्टार्ट 3 2 स्टार्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 14 13 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 that's great very good yes hope you enjoyed we ended with the high intensity yeah thank you guys as we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah. So we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do if you have more time, you can do it for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah. This will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb burning. Yeah, okay. Let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, have to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. Yeah? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2. ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ. तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में ये किए तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. Yes, relax. Now next one, go down in the center. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip. like this. In the lunges position but static, होल्ड रखेंगे. आपके हिप और ग्लूट्स दोनों में स्ट्रेच आएगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है. आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है. पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. 4 3 2 1. या दूसरे साइड करेंगे. अभी दूसरे साइड. 1 2. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट. नी 90 डिग्री. पीछे वाला पैर एक्सटेंड. हील डाउन टच नहीं है. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन फॉरवर्ड बेंड. हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे. आप गो डाउन स्लोली. यस. नी लॉक है. लेग स्ट्रेट है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे. जस्ट गो बैक. 1 2 3 4 5 6. आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना. रिलैक्स रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स. पैर ऐसे करेंगे और सिट डाउन. जितना भी नीचे बैठ सकते. परफेक्ट. 1 2. एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा. 5 4 3 2. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. या विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग. स्टार्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. One we will do for the groin. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है. 1 2. You will feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये पार्ट. Just you will feel the stretch there. Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout. Whether warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. We will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो. दीवार से चलेगा. या 4 5 6 7 8 9. दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. दूसरे पैर के लिए 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one we will do Trikonasana. क्रॉस ट्राइंगल पोज. परफेक्ट. ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे. यस. आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए. 4 5 6 7 8 9. अदर साइड. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Relax. Next one we will do few sitting exercises. Sitting stretches. यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ. आपका पैर इधर आएगा. Perfect. अभी just both the leg straight. Both the leg straight. Perfect. Just bend down. Forward bend. Again, आपका जो ये पैर है ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है. या 5 4 3 2 1. रिलैक्स. या बटरफ्लाई. बटरफ्लाई. थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ. चलेगा. नाउ जस्ट swing it. 2 3 आर्च आर्च देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं यस देन अगेन डू 4 to 5 टाइम यस बट डू इट वेरी स्लोली दिस इज फॉर रिलैक्सिंग योर बैक दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर बैक यस सो यू मस्ट डू इट relax next one you will sit in the vajrasan sit yeah. just press your body yes just sit down for 10 to 20 seconds हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे relax come up the last one we will do with the breathing exercise inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे we will show inhale up मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं very slowly with his breathing rhythm उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और breathing rhythm से ही जैसे exhale कर रहे हैं down हो रहे हैं inhale ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर exhale तो down relax. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you.